Are you running out of space on your hard drive? Is your PC running slower than it should be? Are you tired of running out of space for games? Well, in this video, I will solve these problems for you. Welcome to TechSplash, and in this video, I will be showing you various methods that you can use to clear all of your cache on Windows 10 and 11, free up space on your drives, speed up your PC in seconds, and perhaps even optimize your internet connection. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at your drives. To do this, go down to the File Explorer, go to the left-hand side and hit on this PC, and then as you can see, my main OS drive is almost completely full. The first method that you can use is to clear cache using run commands. To do this, you can right-click on the start menu and hit run, or you can hold the Windows button and R at the same time, and it should open up this little box. In this box, the first thing you're going to type in is prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H. Just like that, hit enter. After this, hit continue. Now you'll see you have tons and tons of random files here that are taking up space on your PC. What you're going to want to do is click one of them, then hold Control A and then hit delete on your keyboard, or right click on them and press delete. This is perfectly safe to do. These are old files that your PC doesn't need anymore, but it's keeping around just in case it needs it in the future. But that's rarely ever the case. If it does, then you're going to see this. This action can't be completed because the file is open in sysmain. So you're going to hit do this for all current items and skip. And that's it. There's only 2 of these left. They're fairly small, so you don't have to worry about them. And then you can close out of this. Then you're going to want to go to run again. And this time you're going to type in temp, just like so, and hit enter. And again, these are tons and tons and tons of random files that your PC doesn't need. So you can just click one, hit Control A and delete. And then again, there are some that will be in use still. Do this for all current items and skip. After that, you can just close out of this one once more. And finally, you're going to go to the run box again and type in %temp%, which is different than the temp folder. Hit enter. And this is going to be the last folder with a bunch of random temp files. Again, just click one, hit Control A and delete. If you see something like this, hit do this for all current items and continue. And then if this can't be deleted, do this for all current items and hit skip. All current items, skip. And that's it. You've cleared out all of the unnecessary cache that Windows was holding. Okay, another method that you can use to clear cache on Windows is called disk cleanup. To access disk cleanup, go to your Windows button and start typing disk cleanup, and it should pop up just like so. Click on it. Then you're gonna be given a drop-down menu in which you can select your drive that you want to clean. In this case, I will just be doing my Windows OS volume, but if you have multiple drives, you can go through and do each one. But for me, I'm just going to be doing the Windows OS volume, and for most of you, that will apply as well. Just click on it and click OK. It calculates for a little bit. You're given some options here on what you want to delete, but before you do that, go down to clean up system files. Again, it'll give you the drop down which you select your volume, your drive. Hit that, click OK, calculating once more. And now you're given all the options that you want to clean. At this point, you can customize what files you would like it to delete, but some that you want to make sure are selected are temporary internet files, Windows error reports, DirectX shader cache, delivery optimization files, recycle bin, temporary files, and thumbnails. After you've selected all the ones that you want to select, click OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? If you are sure, you can go ahead and click delete files. Now it's cleaning up my PC. It might take a moment. And it is done. Another method that you can use to clear cache on Windows 11 is to go down to the Windows menu, type in settings, hit enter, and you will be on the settings page of Windows. Then you're going to want to go to system, go down to storage. What you're going to want to do is first of all, make sure that storage sense is enabled. Then go to the top of the page and select temporary files. You will be shown all of the temporary files that your PC is storing. Now, these options aren't taking up a lot of space, but for example, it wants me to delete my downloads folder. If you don't have anything important in your downloads folder, you can go ahead and select this. I have a lot of important stuff there too, so I will not be selecting this. Once you're done with that, just hit remove files, continue, and that is it. Now you can back out. Next, you're going to want to go to cleanup recommendations, and it will show you much of the same thing. It wants me to delete my downloads folder. I'm just not going to do that. It will show you a bunch of large files that you have on your computer that you may wish to delete. It'll also show you files synced to the cloud. I don't have any. It will also show you unused apps, of which I have none, and that is it. For the next method, we're going to be installing a really useful tool called CCleaner. To do this, go to your web browser. I'm using Arc browser. I recently created a video on the setup and review of the Arc browser, so if you're interested, feel free to watch that. Once your browser is open, you can go ahead and type in CCleaner, download. Next, you're going to want to go down to download CCleaner. If this pops up, you can either reject it or hit OK. Now that you're on this page, you can just go ahead and click on free download. I already have it, so I'm not going to go through the download process, but I recommend that you download it and set it up. Once it's downloaded, go down to your Windows button and type in CCleaner, CCleaner, and click on it. It will open up this kind of window. On the side menu, if you're on health check, you can go ahead and hit scan PC. Please wait while it scans your PC. As you can see, CCleaner found 10,714 items that can be cleaned on my PC. Now you can go ahead and hit on clean down here after selecting all of these. If there's anything that you would like to keep and you would not like it to delete, you can unselect it just like so, but I will be deleting everything. Hit clean, and now it has cleaned my PC. I'm going to hit next, and now 21.17 gigabytes can be cleaned through my recycling bin, my temporary system files, and my application cache. If you're willing to delete all of these, make sure they're all selected and hit clean. If not, you can deselect the ones you would not like to delete, but I will be selecting all of these and hitting clean. Okay, as you can see, 21 gigabytes have been cleaned. Now we can hit next, and it has found 5 issues on my PC. And this is a premium feature that is trying to get you to use. You really don't need this. Go ahead and hit skip for now. If you'd like, you can start a free trial and use the premium features, but you definitely don't need to. So I will hit not now, maybe later. And now your PC health check is completed. After this, you can go over to custom clean if you want a more customized cleaning option. You can go through these menus and click on everything that you would like it to delete. Once you're done with that, go down to tools, go to registry, and you want to make sure everything here is selected, and then hit scan for issues. As you can see, it found tons of issues in my registry. What you're going to want to do is go to review selected issues. Do you want to back up the registry before making changes? If you're scared that this will mess up your PC in any way, you can go ahead and click yes, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to hit no. Then you're going to want to hit fix all selected issues, and they were all fixed immediately. You can go ahead and close this. Now close out of CCleaner, and you're done with that method. So for this next method, you're going to want to go back to the File Explorer. So just go ahead and hit that at the bottom here. Under the dropdown for this PC, you should find your main Windows OS drive, and mine is labeled here. You can just click on that. Next, you're going to want to hit Windows, double click, go down to software distribution, double click on download, and then all of these files you see here are random cache that your PC is keeping. You can just select all of them and hit delete. You'll need to provide administrator permissions to delete this folder. Go ahead and hit do this for all current items and continue, and they are all deleted. Then you can just close out of the File Explorer. For this next method, you're going to want to go to the command prompt. Just hit on the Windows button and type in cmd, and then command prompt should show up. Hit on that. Okay, now that this is open, you're going to want to type in one command, which is ipconfig /flush DNS, like so, and hit enter. And it was that simple. It flushed the DNS resolver cache, which should essentially make your Wi-Fi more speedy. It should have cleared all the cache that's sitting between you and your internet connection, and your PC should be running a lot smoother now that you've cleared that. After that, you can go ahead and just close the command prompt. This last method will help you if you're into gaming, and we will be clearing all of the NVIDIA cache if you have an NVIDIA GPU. To do this, go down again to the File Explorer, click on your drive again, and when you're here, first of all, you're going to want to go to View, go to Show, and then under Show, you're going to want to select File Name Extensions and Hidden Items. And then once they're checked, you can go down to Users, click on your user profile, click on App Data, double click. First, you're going to want to go to Local. Then you're going to want to go down to NVIDIA, click on GL Cache, and everything in here you can delete. I only have one folder, so I can just click on that and hit delete. But if you have multiple, you can go ahead and select all of them and delete them. This only deals with OpenGL based games. If you want to delete the DirectX cache, you're going to want to go back to the drive, go to Users once more, click on your user profile, go to App Data, and then instead of local, you're going to go to Local Low. Double click. Now go to NVIDIA. per driver version, DX cache, and then all of these files in here are taking up a lot of space and they're also pretty useless, and they may also be slowing down your games. Click on one of them, hit Ctrl A and press delete. If some of them can't be deleted, hit do this for all current items and hit skip, and as you can see, a few of them got left but most of them are gone. After you're done with that, you can just hit close and you should see a noticeable improvement in your gaming and in your general use of your PC. Once you're done with all of the various methods that we have used to clear cache on Windows 11, you're going to want to go down to the Windows button, type in recycling bin, hit on that, and as you can see, all of the files we deleted are in here. We want to get rid of them. You can go to the top here and hit empty recycle bin, just like so. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all of these items? If you're sure that you didn't accidentally delete something that's important, if you are sure that all is good, just hit on yes. If you need administrator permission to delete a certain file, just hit do this for all current items and hit continue. And as you can see, this folder is empty. Now you can close out of this and your PC should be all clear of cache. And that's it. Hopefully these methods worked for you. If they did, please feel free to like the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more like this. Also remember to repeat these methods every couple of months to keep your PC in tip-top condition. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.